Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a PayPal account on your phone. First, head over to your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and download the official PayPal application. Once installed, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button. You'll then be prompted to enter your mobile phone number. After entering it, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to you via text message. Simply input this code into the app to confirm your number and proceed to the next step. Next, you'll need to provide some personal details to secure your account. Start by entering your full legal name and a valid email address. Then, create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. You'll also be asked for your date of birth and your current residential address. This information helps PayPal verify your identity and comply with financial regulations. Finally, review and agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy statement to move forward with your account creation. Now it's time to link a payment method to your new PayPal account. You have two primary options: linking a bank account or adding a debit or credit card. If you choose a bank account, you'll need to provide your bank's routing number and your personal account number. For cards, simply enter the 16-digit card number, its expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code found on the back or front. Linking a payment method allows you to send and receive money seamlessly. To finalize your setup, you'll need to verify your email address. PayPal will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Simply open it and click the verification link. Sometimes, PayPal might request additional identity verification, such as uploading a photo ID, to ensure the highest level of security. Once all steps are complete, your new PayPal account is fully set up and ready to use. You can now confidently send money, shop online, and manage your finances with ease.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.